Hi, my name is David Izquierdo with Lifelong Insurance Agency, and today we'd like to talk to you about classic car insurance. There's a lot of value in insuring your car properly for classic cars. So the importance of insurance during the restoration process is ensuring that the vehicle that's being restored has the proper coverage under it in case there's an incident where either the vehicle is stolen from a garage or maybe you're transporting the vehicle from your home to a body shop or to a mechanic shop to do certain amount of work on it, and you want to make sure it's covered during these periods of time. So there's classic car insurance available during the restoration process to cover the value of the vehicle while it's in restoration. So for example, right now, this 65 Mustang is under restoration. Today, as it sits, it probably has about $3,000 to $5,000 worth of value. By the time we finish all the body work on it and get a paint job on it, that's going to significantly increase the value of the vehicle, take it all the way to $15,000. So in the beginning, we may insure this vehicle for $5,000, and then once paint and body's done, we'll increase the value of the insurance to $15,000 to give you that coverage. So classic car insurance is normally just like regular auto insurance. It can be done at 6-month or 12-month intervals. Most of the time it's 12-month intervals. That doesn't mean you have to wait for the 12 months to change the value of the policy or the conditions of the policy. So let's say you spent 3 months working on the paint and body work and then you get the paint done. Well, as soon as you get paint done, you immediately increase the value of the vehicle. You'll want to contact your agent at that point and let them know the change in value of the vehicle so that we can change the policy.